welcome to another episode. Today we are going to continue on our Lebanon, Indiana Courthouse. This is part 2. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share. While you're at it, please take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff available on there to help support me. And with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. So the focus of today's video is to button down this sky, and for that we are going to use some Mars black, some titanium white, some cobalt blue, and we're going to use just a little bit of phthalo green as well. A lot of these clouds have just a little bit of a green tinge to them in these dark areas, and then in the lighter areas I also use just a little bit of yellow ochre to help give it a little bit of a yellow hue and kind of dull it down just a bit. This kind of helps build up those layers between the light and the dark. If you notice, I go back and forth quite a bit between the dark and the light. This helps build up those layers and help really kind of build the foundations of those clouds. And I will switch brushes. I use a number 2 filbert a lot. That's mostly for all the smaller details, and that really helps to kind of smooth everything together and give you kind of a blend between the dark and the light tones. There still needs to be a bit of an edge in some of these places, and when I got around to doing those highlights, I did add just a little bit of cadmium yellow. This really helps that yellow to pop at the top part of those clouds where that sun is really hitting the edge of those clouds. going to do it for today's episode. And if you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. This was a relatively easy episode. All we really did was focus on the sky and these clouds, but it's a very important one. Remember, if this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share this video, take a visit to my website, and I'll see you in the next episode.